Congratulations, gulang-gulang. Gulang-gulang Elementary School will be receiving a cash prize of 7,000 pesos. Sponsored by our dear judge, Mr. Randy Tronila. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations, gulang-gulang. Hope to see you next year. So I will be calling the second place. So the group that will be there is of course our champion. Now for the second place. The second place goes to contestant number 3. Therefore, first place goes to Elvira Rizon Aranita Elementary School. Once again, our second place goes to Lucena Westland Elementary School. Let's give them a big round of applause. Lucena Westland Elementary School will be receiving a cash prize of 10,000 pesos. Thank you so much, Westland, for joining. Hope to see you next year. The first Doña Rosario Drums and Armand Expo champion is Elvira Rizon Aranita Elementary School. Congratulations, Eraes. Eraes will be receiving a cash prize of 15,000 pesos. Let's give it up for our head teacher and the Cultural Committee Chairperson, Mrs. Jocelyn C. Erezo.
Hello po, sasamantalahin ko ng pagkakataon at may tao pa sa loob ng gimnasyo. Ang buong pamilya po ng Basic Education Department ay nagpapasalamat. Unang-una sa lahat ng paaralan na tumugon sa aming panawagan sa contest na to para sa first ever Doña Rosario Urban Exposition. At sana nga po kayo mga school na narito ngayon ang magparating ng napakagandang experience ngayong araw na to para sa taon ay mas marami pa ang ating mga contestants at sumali. Ikalawa po, thank you very much sa ating mga kurado. Ma'am Abadilla, thank you very much po. Sir Michael Villamayor. At syempre sa ating pong susunod na Mayor ng Sariaya, Quezon, Mr. Randy Tronila. Hindi lang nag-judge, nag-sponsor pa ng ating third prize. Syempre po,